I'm Lisa Mininni, president of Excellerate Associates and founder of the Business Innovation Lab CoWorking and Conference Center. And I'm excited to be the keynote speaker for the corporate member-only session at the 2023 Great Lakes Women's Business Conference. The reality is you work hard. You work hard to be the best corporate professional you can be. But you will need to say no. You'll need to say no to your suppliers from time to time. You'll need to enroll others in your organization to trust an idea or influence outcomes with and through others. Well, if you want to succeed in making a big impact, expanding your leadership communication skills are key. In this corporate-only session, you'll experience profound insights into why people do what they do. By understanding human wiring, you'll discover fresh ways to engage others, easily gain buy-in, and successfully foster collaboration, even in the most challenging situations. In this session, you'll also uncover your own human wiring, discover how to expand your natural capacity for leadership communication, and learn to express yourself in a way that activates ownership, alignment, cooperation, and partnership with both your internal and external stakeholders. You'll also deepen your power of listening. Explore a new way of listening through human wiring that enables highly effective conversations, regardless of the content. Enhance your ability to transform conversations into powerful platforms for generating possibilities. Join us for this interactive session entitled Expansive Leadership Toolbox and develop new practices that allow you to connect deeply with others, uncover unspoken concerns, and address matters concisely. To get the most out of your session and to learn about your own natural human wiring, check your email for a link to take your human wiring assessment prior to August 30th. I'm Lisa Mininni, and I really look forward to meeting you at the 2023 Great Lakes Women's Business Conference.